Turn your head around. Welcome. Episode 30.
30. Episode 30. Also 29 again.
Hey, you just blooper this already. What's wrong with 29?
Nothing.
Okay. Well, we're actually on episode 30. So welcome. I'm Aaron.
I'm Chris.
He's Chris.
Yes.
I'm Aaron.
Yes.
He's Chris.
Yes.
We got that.
Thank
Okay,
you.
we're good. So yeah, episode 30. What do we got to talk about, Chris?
Well, as you guys saw in the last episode, we set some LiPo batteries on fire. So that was pretty fun.
Yeah.
Now, while I was out there, I took my Traxxas TRX-4 out for a good rip in the sand and in the water. And I took it off a couple jumps. So we'll throw you some of that footage after here. But I'm in the middle of a rebuild, so I took the front diff apart. Now, I'm going to show you the bearing that blew up inside of here. So there's our whole front diff. There's our pinion gear. Now, if you look right in here, our pinion gear is all wobbly, so that bearing is on its way out and definitely needs replacement. Now, I'm replacing these bearings with some Avid bearings and some from Fast Steady. So we'll get her put back together and she'll be ready to go in no time.
Yeah, so the biggest thing with this bearing being bad is when it's in your case, like the diff case itself, what's going to happen is this is going to be getting all your load from your drive shaft, right? And as you gas and brake and go in reverse, this is always going to be going like that.
Yep.
And what's going to happen is it's always going to want to come together to the ring gear and come apart from the ring gear. And the problem with that is these teeth need to make the proper amount of contact to be the strongest they can be. And Traxxas and people that take these apart all the time and shim them are going to try and be getting that contact as best as possible so it doesn't have the right amount of play and it's not too far or too close. So what's going to happen though is this is always going to be going like that and you could fold over a teeth. So this is actually really, really good that you caught that before you actually wrecked the ring gear or that pinion.
And the pinion, right?
Yeah, so always something to check out while you're taking apart your RC.
Yeah, proper maintenance, that's the key. I take the truck in a lot of water, it goes through a lot of sand, a lot of dirt, so it gets taken apart often. So I run into this stuff all the time.
Yeah, so yeah, always a good thing to check out, even on wheel bearings. Like say you have a slash, and you're wondering,
wheels.
Yeah, you're wondering why you're driving down the road and the truck's, the wheels are dangling and it's really hard to control. Maybe it's time to check out some bearings. We have a lot of bearings in stock bearing kits, say from Avid. For the Slash, the Rustler, the Stampede, Slash 4x4, Stampede 4x4, we carry all the common Traxxas trucks usually in stock. And they're relatively cheap. Like say a Slash bearing kit's like $30 for a two-wheel drive and $37, $38 for a 4x4. Like they're cheap. That's the whole bearing kit too. So that's wheels, front diff, rear diff, transmission if you have two-wheel drive, steering linkage, like that's everything. So maybe it's something to check out before you go running for the winter, before you go put your truck away for the winter.
Exactly.
Always a great
Don't let it sit all winter with water and rust in the bearings.
Yeah.
Because it will not want to move when you take it out in the summer.
Yeah.
So here's some of that footage of the TRX playing in the sand. Can't really fix that one.
So we're going to start maybe a new segment. We're going to get everyone's feedback on this, but we're going to do maybe like a weekly or a bi-weekly news section. It's coming to winter time. People want to know all of the cool new things before the holiday season. Maybe get a wish list going on there. We're going to talk about some new stuff coming out. So first things first, did you see the new Traxxas cts-v body for the Fortec 2.0?
But I saw a little tidbit of it and it looked nice.
Yeah, so we're going to have somewhere where it's going to pop up and it's going to chow.
We're going to show it to you somewhere here.
Yeah, so here, it's going to come in, let's see here, where did it go? There it is. So it's going to come in a pre-painted version in gunmetal gray. It's also going to come in a pre-painted blue.
Yeah.
Or it's going to come in clear.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Traxxas did a very good job with
So everyone's like, just show me the dang pictures of the car, man. So Chuck's going to just like, pa-chow it right in here somewhere.
And if he doesn't, well, we'll just get mad at him.
Yeah, we'll put links in the description as well on YouTube. Or it's going to come in clear.
Yes.
So something new.
So you can paint it your own
Yeah.
color. Paint
So
it
let's
nice metallic red.
Yeah. So those are going to be part number 8391A for the silver one, 8391X for the pre-painted blue one, or 8391, and that's just going to be the clear one. So if you want to check those out for your new 4.0 or 4Tech 2.0. So.
And it looks like they've released a green Land Rover.
Yeah, the Defender body.
Finally in a Land Rover color.
Yeah. So it was actually going to be the color they initially talked about when it was released.
With those spy photos?
Yeah, exactly. So that's the color. The cool thing with this pre-painted body is it's also going to be clear windows. So Traxxas has been listening to us. Yeah. So yeah, it's going to be green and black. You're going to get the black stripe down the hood, black roof. It's going to look awesome. The price initially here on the internet is pretty expensive.
Yeah.
But the street price so far is going to be around $185 American. So it's going to be expensive. Part number TRA-8011G. So yeah, something different.
Or you could just buy the clear body and paint it yourself.
Ching.
Either or.
Yeah. So something else new that's coming out that we should be expecting here pretty soon. You kind of alluded to it a couple times in a couple other videos, but Rustler 4x4.
Exciting.
4x4 Rustler. And that's going to come in a couple different ways. You're going to be able to get the XL5 with a 12-turn Titan, so the brushed model. And you're also going to be able to get the brushless model, so VXL. And a lot of people are saying, well, it's just the Stampede. It's actually not. We're going to kibosh that right now. That's actually a slash 4x4 LCG. And it's shortened.
With 2.8 tires.
Correct. Just
It
low
is
pro.
a shortened slash chassis?
Correct. It's a slash. It's going to be the same length as a Stampede. So I'm presuming it's a Stampede 4x4 center shaft.
So it's like a
LCG
Stampede 4x4 LCG.
Correct.
Ooh.
But
That's exciting.
But no more body clips either.
Yes.
So
they took the e-Revo 2.0 mounts.
Correct.
Yes.
Yeah. So it's going to have the clip like the e-Revo or the X-Max.
Yeah.
So that's kind of new. They're going to come in two different colors for the VXL model, and they're also going to come in two different colors for the brushed. So something to look out for. We're expecting them October sometime.
And that's a new tire too.
Correct. Yeah. Brand new wheel, brand new tire. So that's going to be something cool. So yeah, we're just going to keep doing this. I don't know if it's going to be every week or every 2 weeks. But we're going to have
noteworthy news.
Yeah, we're going to have it kind of sooner than later. We're going to start it because we've had a lot of questions like, hey, when's this coming in? Hey, when's this coming in? Hey, have you heard about this? So we're going to try and keep everyone informed when we get information because sometimes we do get some insider information.
Sometimes.
Just not him.
No
one gives any information to a guy with a
anything.
beard. Let's be honest with ourselves. But yeah, so that's going to be the new thing every week, every 2 weeks. So, insider news.
Weekly.
Maybe
weekly.
Some sort of weekly. But yeah, give us some comments down below what you guys think. If you guys want us to go down this path more often than not, or if you say, hey, just don't do it. It sucks.
Do you
guys
decide on
suck.
a phrase like stay classy Saskatoon?
Yeah, there you go.
Like Ron Burgundy hit stolen.
Hashtag fake news.
Fake news.
But yeah, something to think about. But yeah, post your comments down below, and we want to hear what you guys think.
No, done.
Okay. Something cool coming on. We're just talking about it.
Yeah, it's coming up. Don't you worry about it.
Yeah, hush hush. Shh. But yeah, that's the end of episode 30.
Yes.
Ultra RC Hobby Show.
Thank you for joining us. Make sure you like, comment,
And subscribe. And share with all your friends.
And share. Yes.
On Facebook. Because they might want to see all this awesome action
too.
too.
Want to see all this cool stuff.
And Chris. Like, everyone wants to see Chris. You see this beautiful beard? Sorry, it was weird.
It's super.
But yeah, that was episode 30. Can't hold it together now. Of Ultra RC Hobby Show.
Episode 30. Thank you very much.
Thank you. He's weirded out now. I don't blame him. I'm kind of weirded out. See you later.